Hello friends and welcome guys to HK Cricket Football. Real Madrid vs Chelsea prediction preview team news and more in UEFA Champions League. Following the proposed European Super League fiasco, the UEFA Champions League return on Tuesday as Chelsea take on Real Madrid. This will be the first leg of their semi-final clash at the Estadio Alfredo Di Stefano. The Blues are 3 games away from replicating their 2012 success, but they face a stern test of progressing at the expense of the competition's most decorated team. Chelsea coasted through to the semi-finals after claiming a 2-1 aggregate win over Porto in the quarter-final. Since then, they have picked up 1 draw and 2 wins domestically. That run of result included a win over Manchester City in the FA Cup semi-final and Saturday 1-0 win over West Ham United. After going trophyless last season, the Blues have set up a mouth-watering FA Cup final clash with Leicester City. They could now grab a domestic and European Cup double if they find success in the remaining cup matches of the season. Real Madrid might be floundering in La Liga, but they have simply been superb in the Champions League. Zidane man cruised past Liverpool in the quarter-final, claiming a 3-1 aggregate win to set up a semi-final clash with Chelsea. Real Madrid are currently in a 3-horse race for the league title, but they will shortly divert their attention to the Champions League, where they are hunting for a record 14 title. Real Madrid vs Chelsea team news. Sergio Ramos will sit out this encounter as he battles a calf problem. However, the Spaniard is expected to return to full fitness ahead of the return leg. Fullback Ferland Mendy is also suffering from a calf problem, while Federico is in isolation due to COVID-19. Lucas Vazquez has been ruled out for the rest of the season after picking up a knee injury in El Clasico earlier this month. The huge injury boost in the Real Madrid camp is the return of Eden Hazard, who will now take on his former employers. Injured Sergio Ramos, Ferland Mendy and Lucas Vazquez, COVID-19 Federico and suspended non. Croatian midfielder Mateo Kovacic is still battling a hamstring injury and is expected to sit out this tie. Other than that, Thomas has a fully fit squad at his disposal. Injured Mateo Kovacic, suspended none. Real Madrid vs Chelsea predicted 11. Real Madrid predicted 11 lineup is 3-4-3 and the predicted playing 11 for this match is given below. Chelsea predicted 11 lineup is 3-5-2 and the predicted playing 11 for this match is given below. Real Madrid vs Chelsea prediction. Both sides have been rock solid defensively in recent weeks and we expect a cagey affair on Tuesday. However, considering Real Madrid possess an experienced crop of players, they should manage to grab a slender win. So my prediction for this game is Real Madrid 1 and Chelsea 0. Real Madrid form guide: win, draw, draw, win, draw. Chelsea form guide: win, lost, win, draw, win. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe HK Cricket Football channel and press the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching this video.